And the countdown to Femina Miss India 2007 pageant hots up. The contestants are busy with the last-minute training sessions. Here's a glimpse of the behind-the-scene action.
The Femina Miss India pageant is a few days away, and the contestants are putting in their all to get the nuances just right. While looking good is the key, the right posture and body language is equally important, and helping them in this task is dance guru Sandeep Sopadkar.
It's also because when they go internationally, they have to go for a lot of events, evening parties where they have to dance. They go for gatherings where it's compulsory for them to dance. Also, they can make great conversation with people from other countries.
It has helped us with our body language, with our expression and our poise, and it gives you that edge, when you're walking on the ramp, you're listening to the beats.
As they prepare for the finale, we ask the contestants what's uppermost on their mind.
Some of the sessions are really tiring, then yes, I'm happy that getting over, but there's some sessions that I would cherish for the rest of my life. Actually, I am a little bit nervous, of course, but I'm extremely excited because with all this grooming, we find ourselves more confident and actually counting the
Welcome back to All About Her. In our special series of the making of Miss India, it's time to take a peek backstage once again. While they sweat it out, we get you a glimpse of their fitness regime, grooming session, secrets of looking the way they do, and more. Keep watching.
Last week saw the 25 Miss India finalists put themselves through some serious training sessions. Right from the catwalk to their diction. This week we bring you another chapter from their lives as they continue to fight it out before the finals. For those of you contemplating giving this contest a shot, think again. These beauties have been up since 5, ready to hit the beach and tuck away every extra inch.
Okay, go.
We told them kickboxing because they got really excited and they came down and we just took them to the beach. It was a boot camp session and really tough. With 1.5 hours, it's really tough to walk out on that sand.
And this is not a one-off day either.
Keep your back close to the bench.
6 days in a week, 3 weeks in a row, that's what these contestants are in for, and it looks anything but easy.
Today we went to the beach. We were told that we'll be doing kickboxing, but instead we did cardio for an hour and a half, and it was really tiring, but again it's for a good cause, so we are really working hard.
The first day they came to me, they were so flabby, stomachs, they were not toned. Stamina levels were like almost zero. Now the 6th session, you can see them running faster, so toned. You can see the cuts already coming on their arms.
While looking good is crucial, feeling good and celebrating that spirit is of equal, if not more, importance. You have to believe you're already a winner, show it through your body language, and only then strike to win.
They're able to, come across as confident ambassadors for the country. And we want them very real, and the trainers at the academy, we don't want them to be, saying something and looking somewhere else. They don't feel something what they have to say, so they need to be emotionally, mentally, physically there at that situation, so they get all the points that they deserve.
So while a session like this instills that confidence and spunk in you, it also gives you tips on how to keep your nerves during those last few minutes on stage.
It's just about, believing in yourself. And it's not about looking beautiful all the time. It's also about able to beautify what you're saying to the judges.
The grooming session with Meher was great today. I think she really helped everyone. We all are very confident on the stage, but there's some flaw or the other with everyone.
But there seems to be no relenting for these contestants at all. Even after a day filled with trials, tribulations, rigor and anxiety, mealtime is not a breather either. Polishing those fine dining skills has been an integral part of the Miss India training.
Beautiful women battling for one crown. Femina Miss India pageant in its 4th year is still the most keenly watched, keenly fought and keenly awaited beauty pageant. In the next half an hour, we will show you all the behind the scenes action, contestants up close and personal, and everything that went into making of Femina Miss India 2007.
Miss India contestants are not just pretty faces. For those who give everything for these crucial few months, it seems more like a calling. From software engineers, DJs to doctors, the pageant attracts them all. These girls are finally living their dream.
I decided to participate when I was 4 years old. I didn't know when I was going to do it and how I was going to do it, but I knew I was going to do it.
The gown I'm wearing is something I stitched when I was in my 10th, thinking that whenever I'll go for Miss India, I'll wear this gown.
I'm currently studying French architecture.
Not only are they glamorous and spunky, they're also very forthright.
There's some flaw or the other with everyone, not with me. Kidding.
This unease is the head that bears the crown. But our Miss India contestants couldn't disagree more.
I would wish to win the Femina. I would wish to win the Femina. And I would wish to win the Femina.
I obviously want the crown. Miss India, Miss Universe.
I will be the next Pantaloons Femina Miss India 2007. I'm just thinking about the crown.
The unveiling of the crown and the 25 finalists saw a lot of nervous backstage action.
Today is a big day at the Pantaloons Femina Miss India 2007 contest as the 25 finalists are going to be announced.
It feels great. It's exhilarating. It's nice to know that I've come so close to making a dream come true.
Confident, all pretty, all tall, good bodies. Toning is required, few of them.
They all have that spark, that energy that is needed. That is what we want. And, who knows what will happen internationally, and, it's also a lot of luck.
But the battle for the crown is not just about sashaying the ramps before the lenses. As the countdown for the final day began, the contestants had their share of work cut out for them. The Miss India pageant is the ultimate test of beauty and brains, a platform where only the fittest survives, and a training regime that can crumble the strongest nerves.
I think it takes the ability to have the X factor, which is an undefinable quality that you cannot pinpoint, you don't know what it is.
From the Femina point of view, I'm looking for a lot of confidence in the women. Of course, it is a beauty pageant, so we're looking at the overall package of how attractive and how she carries her attractiveness.
I'm from Delhi. I did my
And helping these girls discover their individuality and prepare for D-Day is a battery of experts.
That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now without the count, 2 come. Repeat it way inward. Faster. Why are you so slow? Go back. You're way too fast. Why is your hand stuck there? Ready to sleep.
What they forget is, once you're on stage, it's showtime. And they must feel, what they're doing. They must hear the music. They must use that, what we call the X factor. They need to know what their asset is and use it.
The one asset they cannot do without is the art of speaking. Yes, it's all about cracking those tough questions and cracking them right.
Hi everybody. Myself, Gauri Anand. You've got to do something. You can't just let that be. Be mature about the fact that you made a mistake. Who hasn't made a mistake in life? I am Gauri Anand. Then you loosen yourself a lot. Plus all these other things. Thanks.
I think this is the most important part of the Pantaloons Femina Miss India pageant's grooming.
I asked them, in fact, to forget that they're Miss Indias. So what? I mean, you're a human being and you must have expression. Don't be an expressionless beauty. Use your face.
Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
One last round, come on. The first day they came to me, they were so flabby, stomachs, they were not toned. Stamina levels were like almost zero. Now the sixth session, you can see them running faster, so toned. You can see the cuts already coming on their arms, and they're getting fitter. That's what's really good.
I think I'm really fit. Yeah, because if I wasn't, I'd be dead. The training is really tough. You have to be there to see.
आज का स्टाइल वेव, फ्लाइंग कैप्स, डाबर गुलाबरी and Vogue Eyewear. Be stylish, be in Vogue.
देश भर से 25 कंटेस्टेंट्स चुने गए। सब कंटेस्टेंट्स अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचने के लिए गुजरे कड़ी ट्रेनिंग और ग्रूमिंग सेशन से, और इन सबको प्रेस और मीडिया का सामना भी करना पड़ा। Some handled it like real pros. कुछ के लिए ये सब इतना आसान भी नहीं था।
warm welcome to Pantaloons presents मैं मिस इंडिया। मैं हूँ पूजा। क्या आप जानते हैं कि इस कंट्री में क्रिकेटर और मूवी स्टार बनने के बाद लोग क्या बनना चाहते हैं? मिस इंडिया ऑफ कोर्स, दैट्स राइट। हर छोटी लड़की ने कभी ना कभी अपनी मम्मी की हाई हील्स पहनकर शीशे के सामने पोज जरूर किया है और मिस इंडिया बनने का ख्वाब देखा है। देश भर से आज 25 फ्रेश फेसेस आए हैं अपना ये सपना पूरा करने के लिए। सो लेट्स मीट द फाइनलिस्ट ऑफ मिस इंडिया 2007।
आज सारा देश मिस इंडिया के इन 25 फाइनलिस्ट को देख रहा है। हम चाहते हैं कि ये पूरी तरह से इंडिपेंडेंट हो। खुद अपना मेकअप करने से लेकर अपना ख्याल खुद रखना भी इन्हें आना चाहिए। द मिस इंडिया पैजेंट वांट्स टू एम्पावर देम ताकि वो बन सके स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड कॉन्फिडेंट। इसलिए आज है एक खास सेशन सेल्फ डिफेंस पर।
We're going to do 4 moves on boxing. What I want you to do is I want you to all turn to your left. You place your hands up in front of you. Move your entire body along with the jab, with the cross.
किक बॉक्सिंग एक्सपर्ट ने कंटेस्टेंट्स को बताए 4 बेसिक मूव्स जिससे लड़कियां कर सकती हैं अपना सेल्फ डिफेंस।
फर्स्ट डे फॉर किक बॉक्सिंग तो 60% तक तो मुझे लगता है मैंने बिल्कुल सही किया है।
The trainer was in my mind that if he's watching, he's looking, let's do it properly and it's going to help me because I'm in group A and I have to do it.
नहीं तकलीफ नहीं हो रही है। We know how we learning new steps to kick guys, छेड़े तो मारने के लिए।
She's group A and she's working really hard. And I watched her the kickboxing classes and her form, technique, breathing was perfect. And she's a strong girl. She's doing really well.
मेरा कमिटमेंट लेवल और मेरा एनर्जी लेवल्स ड्रॉप होता था, वापस आता है, ड्रॉप होता है, वापस आता है।
Sarah Jane, she's already lost a lot in inches. You watch her at the end, you'll see the change in her.
आज आकांक्षा इतना फनी वर्कआउट कर रही थी, हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा था वो कर क्या रही है। एक तो शी इज ऑलरेडी द टॉलेस्ट ऑफ द लॉट, शी इज लाइक 5'11" एंड व्हेन शी इज डूइंग किक बॉक्सिंग तो लगता है पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है। आई डोंट नो जोहा क्या कर रही थी बिकॉज वो ऐसे लग रहा था उसकी सारी हड्डियां अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में जा रही है, हाथ इधर टांग उधर, सब किक बॉक्सिंग कर रहे थे हम यूं ही।
Zoom. Pantaloons presents मैं Miss India in association with Tanishq, a Tata product, Liberty, आज का स्टाइल वेव, फ्लाइंग कैप्स, डाबर गुलाबरी and Vogue Eyewear. Be stylish, be in Vogue.
मैं मिस इंडिया में आपने देखी जूम मिस पर्सनालिटी की एक हसीन झलक एंड मेकअप और एटिकेट सेशंस के साथ साथ हुए कुछ एक्साइटिंग सब कॉन्टेस्ट भी।
कहें, थेरेपी कहें या कहें लाइफस्टाइल, सभी जानते हैं कि योगा देता है बॉडी, माइंड एंड सोल का परफेक्ट बैलेंस। और ये सेशन हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए बहुत मायने रखता है, क्योंकि ग्रूमिंग का हेक्टिक शेड्यूल, कंपटीशन का बढ़ता प्रेशर और सब कॉन्टेस्ट की तैयारियां हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए काफी स्ट्रेसफुल हैं।
Hello and welcome to Pantaloons presents मैं मिस इंडिया with me पूजा। पैजेंट का दिन नजदीक आते जा रहा है और हमारी कंटेस्टेंट्स अपनी तैयारी में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ना चाहती। बैक ब्रेकिंग ग्रूमिंग सेशंस के बाद अब बारी है माइंड, बॉडी और सोल को रिलैक्स करने की।
Wake up with these stretches in the morning. It will keep you more energetic through the day. And in the same position, just put your hands back and stretch the shoulders out.
हमारे योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर ने समझाई कंटेस्टेंट्स को स्ट्रेचेस की इम्पोर्टेंस।
मन को रिलैक्स रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, स्पेशली बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल प्रोफेशंस में। इस प्रोफेशन में योगा समथिंग दैट्स एसेंशियली वेरी एनर्जाइजिंग, वेरी रिलैक्सिंग एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली वेरी इंडियन। आज जब सारी लड़कियां ट्रैक पैंट में थी, मैं अकेली थी जो सलवार कुर्ते में आ गई योगा करने के लिए। पर आई बिलीव योगा और मेडिटेशन से हमेशा सिंप्लिसिटी एसोसिएटेड रही है। ट्रैक पैंट पहनना एक्चुअली सूझा भी नहीं, जब योगा बोला तो सलवार कुर्ता एसोसिएट किया और पहन लिया।
वो क्राउन जिसे जीतने का सपना शायद हर एक लड़की ने देखा है, आखिर किसका होगा? ऐश्वर्या राय और लारा दत्ता की ही तरह क्या हमारी अगली मिस इंडिया होगी पहले से ही क्लियर विनर, या कोई ऐसी जो हम सबको सरप्राइज कर देगी?
We all refreshed, all de-stressed and ready to take on the hectic day tomorrow, I guess. मैं किरण थापर हूँ। मैं समझती हूँ कि जिंदगी का मूल मंत्र है प्यार देना और प्यार पाना। पैंटलून्स फेमिना मिस इंडिया इकलौता ऐसा माध्यम है जिसे मुझ जैसी एक साधारण लड़की हमारे देश के हजारों पीड़ितों और पिछड़े हुओं को प्यार दे सकेगी। मुझे इस बात पर यकीन है कि मेरी कड़ी मेहनत जरूर रंग लाएगी।
मिस इंडिया कंटेस्टेंट्स के पास सिर्फ मीठी यादें ही नहीं, बहुत से खूबसूरत गिफ्ट्स भी इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं, like these fabulous sunglasses.
Just try one more.
My cheeks are too much flabby. Sunglasses तो बहुत स्टाइलिश हैं, लेकिन इनके पीछे छिपी आंखें भी कुछ कम नहीं।
Be in style, be in work.
आज आप लोग फिर इकट्ठा हुए हैं आपके एक सब टाइटल के लिए, और ये सब टाइटल बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सब टाइटल है, स्पेशली एक वुमन के लिए, क्योंकि कहा जाता है योर आईज आर द विंडो टू योर सोल। सो आर यू ऑल सेट टू बेयर योर सोल टुडे? यस। आज होने वाला है वोग आईवेयर फेमिना मिस ब्यूटीफुल आईज। जज करने के लिए एक जजिंग पैनल आया है। फॉर्मर मॉडल एंड एज कोरियोग्राफर अचला सचदे, एलिसन, फेमस एक्ट्रेस तनीषा।
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट आई थिंक ये बात है कि